In this problem, we'll find the slope of a couple of lines. We'll find the slope, if it exists, of first the line 2x minus 5y equals 10, and then the line x equals negative 2. Let's start with 2x minus 5y equals 10, and we'll solve for y in order to write that in the form y equals mx plus b. So to solve for y, we subtract 2x on both sides of this equation, and we get the opposite of 5y equals the opposite of 2x plus 10. And then we multiply both sides by negative 1/5. When we multiply this side by negative 1/5, we simply get y. And on this side, we get negative 1/5 times negative 2x plus 10. Now, carrying out the multiplication, we have negative 1/5 times negative 2x will give us 2/5 x. Negative 1/5 times 10 would be negative 2, so we have minus 2. Now, this is in the slope y equals mx plus b, so the slope is the coefficient of the x term, the number that's multiplied by x. So the slope of this equation is 2/5. And that was simply read from the equation once I'd solved for y. Now, this line is a little different. We notice that we can't solve for y because there's no y term present. Also, if you remember, the graph of x equals negative 2 is a vertical line, and the slope does not exist. So, or we say that the slope here is not defined. And you want to be careful not to write there is no slope or zero slope. That the slope is not 0 here. The slope is not defined.